Good morning, everybody. Good morgen und willkommen. Ich heiße Herr Blohr. Wie heißt du? Mir geht's gut. Guten Morgen. Well, welcome. And welcome to this, the very last assembly of the school year, and hopefully the last virtual assembly ever, because we should be, with a bit of luck, back in school in September, and hopefully we don't have to go through lockdown again. But in this assembly, it's not about me. I've been upstaged. All those colleagues of mine, all your teachers, they've had enough of me stealing the limelight, and they've done their own videos. So it's over to them.
Still be 25 a day. I was challenged by one of my friends. I'll do for today, I think. Right, everybody, just like to wish you all a nice summer break. It's been nice seeing the 10s on a Monday, doing your English, Maths and Science. I hope everyone's all well. Get your press-ups done and I'll see you in September. Take care. See ya.
Hi everyone. Just want to say have a good summer. Enjoy yourselves. Be kind to others and be kind to yourself. Take care and see you in September. Bye.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs Teasdale, just in case you didn't recognise me with my lovely lockdown hair. I've really missed teaching you this term. We'll see you in September and hopefully get a bit more back to normal. This is my new baby. This is Millie, my lockdown pup. Stay safe, have a great summer. As I said, see you in September. Bye.
Westdale, I brought this little man to meet you. I hope you all have a lovely summer and I look forward to seeing you in September. Bye.
Hello Westdale, well done for making it through this term. Aren't we lucky to live where we do? Have a great summer, be happy, stay safe and see you in September. Bye.
Hi everyone, thanks for all of your efforts over lockdown for completing your science work, getting in touch with us, and especially recently with the science videos. I've really enjoyed doing them for you, and thanks to everyone for getting involved. Have a wonderful summer. We look forward to seeing you in September. Look after yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Mrs. Herworth here. Can you remember for September? Have a lovely summer.
Hello everyone, I'm missing you all very much. Dying to see you all again in September. Stay safe and have a lovely summer. Bye.
Everyone, well done for all your fantastic work during lockdown. Miss you all loads. Looking forward to seeing you in September. Bye.
So, thank you to all your teachers for those wonderful videos, and I too would like to wish you a wonderful holiday and looking forward to seeing you in September. I hope you've enjoyed my virtual assemblies, my videos over the past few months. As you can probably tell, I've really enjoyed making them, even though at times there's been some hurdles in the way. The weather at times has been a bit challenging. It's freezing. Different to the last 2 weeks, the fog's gone, the sun's come out, it's roasting hot. And as you can see, the weather has changed completely. It's windy. and not everything has always gone to plan. But it's been great fun, and I look forward to seeing you in the flesh in school in September. Have a great summer, and it's bye from me. Bye.
Und tschüss. Tschüss. Und gute Nacht. I'm off now. See you. I'm off to the floor. Bye.